Another crypto abbreviations wey we dey use again, we dey call one Degen. So wetin be the full meaning of that Degen? The meaning of full meaning of Degen na degenerate. Yeah, wetin be dis degenerate, or who be those people wey dey call degenerate? Degenerate means people wey be say dem no too dey do findings, or dem no too dey do their research about project, either token or NFT, before dem ape in. But because of the hype wey dem hear, yeah, just be like say dem dey play bet, dem wan make quick money, make fast money. So sometimes all these people wey we dey call degen, dem dey ape into coin wey don get hype, or into NFT wey people dey talk about, to make dem ape in, make dem comot small profit. And the funniest part, sometimes na profit dey take dem, no be dem dey take profit. So if you dey hear the word degen or degenerate, na wetin e mean be that. People say dem no too dey do research well before dem enter project. Shey you understand? Degen fit mean another thing for outside world too, but for crypto, na wetin we know degen as be that. People wey wan run make quick profit for one project, or for one particular coin. So I believe say you don learn wetin degen or degenerate dey about today. If you like more of this con ten t, follow us for more to learn more about crypto and blockchain abbreviations.